Alright, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of The Outsiders. And I don't know if you could tell, but right now I'm completely soaked. And that's because me, my friend Robbie, and his brother Mikey just went out on the lake. When we got here in the morning, the lake was glass calm, but then things took a turn for the worst. Experienced some 3 to 5 foot waves, and let me tell you, man, boat ride back in was sketchy. But let me also tell you, it was one heck of a trip. Couldn't find the fish to begin with, but kept on moving until we found them, and we absolutely hammered them. So this trip was definitely one to remember. We're gonna turn this camera around and we're gonna roll the footage. Hope you guys enjoy. Alright guys, just got to the first spot of the day, and currently we drove out to about 65 foot of water, and the goal today is just to catch anything. I read the fishing report before we got here from April 1st, and apparently they were catching browns pretty shallow in 10 to 15 foot of water, and we heard they were catching Lakers in 50 to 80 foot of water. So Robbie had some waypoints on his GPS here from last couple times he's been fishing here, so we're gonna run over those and hopefully we can pick up a fish right away. So we're gonna be running 4 poles, all dipsy divers, getting those set up right now. Let's get them in the water and let's get a fish on the line.
Oh, yeah, almost like dragged off.
Oh, something. I don't think it's a fish.
I wonder if it like hooked a log or something.
That's what it looked like. Look, it just doubled over and stayed there.
Hopefully it's not there.
It's like a bag or something. What the heck?
Piece of my boat.
First catch of the day. We didn't even get 3 lines out, and it looked like the rod doubled over. I was like, that's not a fish because it's not even doing any head shakes. And Robbie hooked a big plastic bag.
Wow, for a bag, that was a pretty good fight.
Okay. All right. Looks like we got our first fish of the day over here. That seems like a pretty big one too. I mean, he keeps on pulling drag, so I hope he's a big one.
He's head shaking, right?
Yeah,
that's
head shaking good. Alright guys, we've been fishing for maybe, I don't know, a long time, maybe 2.5, 3 hours without a single bite. We're mostly fishing shallow. Well, we started the day fishing around 70 foot of water, and then we worked our way all the way down to 20 foot of water, and absolutely nothing. So we then moved to 90 feet, started marking some fish, and we're finally hooked up to something here. Come on now. Getting closer and closer with every crank. 70 foot of line out there right now.
Oh snap! Dude, ours were coming in last year. They were coming in like, I mean, it was taking us a little bit, but they were coming in fairly quick.
This guy.
I already got 3 minutes and 30 seconds on.
Yeah, don't fall in. I don't know how to drive a boat.
It's like you're going to bring that all the way up to the cod.
What is it?
That is a giant laker. And he took good.
Holy cow. Oh yeah, buddy.
That is a
Go. Now that is a big fish right there. Holy smokes. No wonder I was fighting so good. Oh, buddy. That's a friggin' tank. Holy smokes.
Is that your PB Laker? Or nah? Oh, that thing thick.
Alright guys, oh that Laker, he absolutely choked it. That's probably honestly my PB. We'll get him back quickly because we're not keeping this guy. Man, there he goes right there. Alright man, it's been a long day. Only one fish. We got 33% of our goal done. We gotta get Robbie and his brother out of fish next, so let's see what else we can do out here. Alright, there we go, back to 175 feet. Now we wait. Oh yeah, dude, look at that. Look at the freaking chop, man. I don't know how well you can tell on camera, but it is definitely picked up. Probably some 2-footers out here. That's why I got pulled in. Alright guys, another fish on Mikey's turn to land him. Big one. Man, by the way, that one's playing. Felt like another Laker.
Oh yeah, he's fighting stuff.
Oh yeah.
I'm scared I'm gonna fall off the ditch. Oh yeah.
Come on now.
Oh yeah. He's not giving no give right now.
Yeah, that's how mine was too. You're just sitting there.
Better start going. Why? Oh, here he comes. He's coming a little bit. I'm on. Oh, he's like a rock down there right now, dude. Yeah, dude. Oh my gosh. There we go. Give me a little something.
Alright guys, I see the dipsy out there. Robbie's gonna get to net and try to net whatever Mikey has on at the end of his line over here.
Am I hooked down? Oh, Robbie, I'm on another line.
That's all right. Just reel it. Don't worry about the other line.
See him yet?
Oh, I see him.
Oh yeah.
Another big Laker. Just keep reeling. That's all right. You know what?
You want me to try to...
Hold on.
Be careful, you don't pull.
You're gonna need to bring this rod back. Oh, there it is.
There he goes.
He's off, he's off. Come on.
Alright.
Pop that rod straight up because you're as far as you can go. Bring it straight up to me. Right back.
Man,
Got him?
we got him.
Hell yeah.
Second one of the day. Let's
Holy.
go.
It's a little smaller, right?
Ah, he's still a nice fish.
Oh my god.
That's a beauty
And
right there.
he's hooked perfect.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Make sure you keep that clamp tight.
Alright. Oh my god, he's freaking heavy, dude.
Yeah, grab. There you go.
Oh my god. The wheelchair's moving.
There you go. Attaboy Mikey. First one of the day. 66% of our mission is completed. Now we just need Robbie to catch one.
Alright.
That's a
Or at
beauty.
least-
Oh my god. Oh. Hell yeah, boy.
Ready to go. There he goes.
There goes. Need one more.
He's out.
I think we just needed to get Choppy out.
Yep. Alright guys. 2 on the board right there. I would just need one more for Robbie. Those 2 fish must have came within not even 10 minutes of each other. So we're gonna get the boat back on course, get the rod out, and hopefully hook up to another fish. Alright guys, didn't even get this rod back in the water. And Robbie is hooked up to a fish right behind me. I'm gonna try to put this one down gently as much as I can.
Only one. It's Choppy out here. Good one. There's a lot of fight.
Oh yeah, a lot of fight on them. We were getting quite discouraged after the first couple hours of fishing. We weren't catching anything. And this one came about 3 minutes after we released the fish that Mikey caught. Now Robbie just needs to seal the deal. That's all we were after, just one fish apiece. How's he feeling?
Oh, he feels nice.
Oh,
He's already on top.
on top. All right, time to get the net, guys. If I can make my way there without falling.
Same guy that slammed down with our
Oh, he's coming right in.
Wonder if it's still a lake trout. Yeah, lake trout.
Little guy. I'll take him.
Come on, fish. We got him. We got him barely. Now we're getting on him. Oh, just spit the hook. Just spit the hook too.
Wow.
Yep.
That's got nice colors.
Ooh, that is beautiful. That's like chrome lacquer.
That's not really nice colors.
Man, that's beautiful.
Oh, you see it here, I'm burping.
All right, guys, get a load of that nice, beautiful lacquer for Robbie right there. Look at the colors on that thing, dude. That's an absolutely beautiful fish.
Got a good shot of him.
All right, man, we got him. Turn him loose when you're ready. Hell yeah. And guys, we didn't even get that third rod back in the water before this one hit, which is crazy. Just looked over my shoulder, seen the rod tip bouncing like crazy, and boom, fish on. We're gonna have to get them both back out there because we haven't had any luck on the two outer ones right here, just the two in the middle. So let's get both of those back out and hey, hook up to some more fish.
That's you.
All right, guys, looks like we got another one on right here. If I could just get it out of the rod holder.
You got a good one, bro. Double header.
Oh, buddy, yeah, he's tugging pretty good.
We're on our fourth one, so
You have to come back and sit down in my chair or something.
I should be good here for now. Now, should I try to keep him to the outside here or try to bring him in the middle? Be nice to hit maybe a trifecta today, something different than a lake trout. But hey, as long as we're catching fish, I don't care what we're catching. All right, almost broke 100. Oh yeah, he's head shaking good. Oh, holy smokes! Look at the wave.
how big of the waves is your hand? I mean, I've been out there in four quarters. Oh, wow.
How big you think your boat is? 17 foot?
17 foot.
17 foot. All right. Oh yeah, he's rolling on top. That might be a steelhead. I don't know. Oh, well, I don't know. That might be a lake trout. Oh, whoa, whoa. Holy smokes.
These are 4 footers.
There's some big waves out here, man.
Oh, right there.
Oh. I'm in a pretty good position where my legs are locked in, so hopefully I don't fall over. Get back. Think? There might be a there's a fish on the other one. Fish on the other one. Come on, Mikey, what are you waiting for?
I got him.
You got him. I got him, and there's a fish on this line.
Look at that one! Oh my God!
Holy smokes!
Give me that one.
Here, take this. I'm gonna hand this pole to Mikey. That's a heavy one.
Oh my God! All right,
You good?
yeah.
Woo.
Oh, fish me right here.
Woo.
Oh my God!
All right, just spit the hook.
Just spit it.
Get here.
Still in his head. Oh no, he spit it. He spit it.
Here.
Oh my God! That's one.
Get that out so you don't. Got him, Mike?
Yeah, I got him.
Dude, this is triple. Triple.
Holy smokes, guys. We're on a freaking triple up. Robbie's got that one. Mikey's got that one. And I got a freaking fish in the net. Holy smokes.
Oh my God! Hold on, dude.
Oh.
Come on in, baby.
Alright, guys. Get a load of that right there.
Oh,
Nice
dude, that is
lake trout for me.
That
I'm gonna try to throw him back here. Holy, holy smokes.
triple header.
Oh, yeah.
Freaking triple header, guys. This is what I was just saying. It would be crazy if we had 3 fish on at once. And it is complete lake trout mayhem out here.
Look at those waves. Dude.
Those waves are freaking massive, dude. You can see the freaking bow dipping over here.
Oh,
Dude, I'm only at 150.
I know, me too. Oh my god.
Yeah, some big waves.
Oh,
Yeah, it's getting choppy out here, that's for sure.
This guy's huge. He's pulling drag.
Wow. Robbie said his is pulling drag. It must be a big one. Oh! Oh! Oh, snap. Oh,
I can't.
good thing I'm leaning against the windshield here, or else I don't know how I'd be able to stand up.
I can't even move this guy. Is it moving?
Oh! Whoa! Whoa!
Ooh, that's a big wave.
That was a massive wave.
I have to go back.
Wow, look at this guy. Look at how big he is. That's Mike.
Oh my god. Oh yeah, I lost.
All right,
He's done?
holy smokes, that's a giant. All right, guys,
God.
Robbie ended up landing this one, and this one is a freaking massive. Mikey lost his relatively close to the boat, probably with 50 yards or so left. Freaking another giant right here. The waves were freaking tossing me around. They're tossing all of us around.
Wow, dude.
Oh, wow. Holy smokes. Look at that freaking lake trout, dude. Absolute beast right there.
This is what we're out here for.
Ooh,
We're freaking killing it, dude.
yeah, we are smashing it. That's
All right, I'm gonna
5 for
get a
6.
good-
Yeah, I got it.
5 for 6 on the day
good release on
combined
this
for
guy.
all of us.
Here he goes.
I don't know. Beautiful fish right there, guys. All right, guys, it looks like we're 5 for 6 on the day right here. Lake trout's been absolutely smashing everything in the past 45 minutes right here, so we're gonna stay at it. We can handle this chop right now, so let's see what else we can catch. All right, guys, this is what the graph is looking like right now. Pretty much catching all those feet in 80 to 90 foot of water. We were actually going against the waves, which is why we were having a difficult time standing up, but now we're going with the waves. We actually just missed one fish that gave the rod a couple good head shakes, popped the dipsy, had her on for, I don't know, 5-10 seconds, but ended up spitting the hook. So let's see if we can catch any going with the waves now. All right, guys, this rod's bouncing. Must mean there's a fish on the end. Oh, damn. And this is actually the one that, like I was showing you guys the graph, this is the rod that we had to reset because a fish popped dipsy on. And what you know, we hooked up on the same rod. All right, time to start cranking them in. We're at 100 foot.
Oh no!
It's a big swell.
Ooh.
Oh, you got him? Sweet, let's go. All right, number 6 landed on the day. All right, guys, check this out. Another friggin' beast. Oh, catching this friggin' beast up here. Oh, man. Oh, man. Yeah. All right. Ooh. All right, guys. I think number 6 landed on the day. Hooked 7. I think Mikey's up next and we hook another. So let's see what else we can catch. All right, guys, Mikey's on right here. As you can hear, we're currently letting out This one over here. Look at that rod bend right there. Oh yeah, you can just see him on the top right there. Robbie's gonna get the net, and we're gonna try to land him.
Keep him on my side. That's all right. That's all right. There he goes. Nope, nope. Just bring it back. That's all right. All right. Yep.
Well, there you go.
Yeah.
You got it.
I don't want to pick up into the little one.
That's all right.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a nice one right there, man.
Got another one on. Got one on.
Oh, we got one on behind us. Oh snap! That's a Robbie. Robbie, hurry, turn him loose. Turn that fish loose. Holy
There
smokes!
he goes.
This is absolutely crazy.
He's gone.
I'm trying to slide over for you.
I told you, I got good luck.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Dude, look at the rod bend on that thing.
This feels like a triangle.
All right, guys. Caught 9, lost 1. You ain't budging that thing, dude.
He just wants to stay down. 130 still to go.
Wow.
He just keeps pulling.
Oh, what is that? Like trout. Small one, that. Oh, he's big.
It's good.
Yeah. Got him. I believe so.
You want a picture of that, Rob?
Oh yeah, man. You fish right there.
Beautiful colors.
Can't beat it. We'll set them off. All right, guys, absolutely killing it out here. I think you've lost count, but it's around 8 or 9 fish landed.
If you lose count, that's a good day.
Yeah, that's for sure. All right, let's get back out there and see if we catch any more. I don't know if it's hungry or these waves, but I think my stomach's getting a little queasy. All right, guys, it looks like I'm up again. Another fish on. See if I can get him out of the pole. I'm gonna have to sit down for this one. Damn.
That's a big one.
That? Yeah, dude.
That's a huge one, dude. Oh my
I can't
God.
frickin'.
Oh my.
Oh my. The heck? Oh my gosh.
Here we go, boys.
I can't even move. Oh my. Oh, he's off. Yeah, dude, his head stayed real good and popped off.
Oh my god.
All right, guys, it appears Robbie has a real big one on. He can't even freaking move this one. Yeah, might be the one I lost. But yeah, this one looks big.
He's giant.
All right, yeah, that's definitely a giant something on right there.
Watch this be a little one. Just has a lot of fight in him. Oh my god, dude.
I finally got hit on the outside pole too. Only been getting hit on the inside ones and finally hooked up.
Oh my god, I still got 200 feet. 200 feet.
I'm glad you're fighting that one and not me.
Give that one up.
Dude, this guy's giant. If he doesn't snap me off, it'll be a miracle. Dude.
Bro, what could that be?
This is crazy. Yeah, I can't even pull him.
All right. Yeah, definitely has a lot of fight in him. All right, we got him, guys.
We're all tangled. I'll grab
Maybe. Oh man, that's a beauty. That's a thick. That is. Yeah, this might have to be our last fish of the day, guys. No, I guess not. I guess it's not our last fish of the day.
Is that Mikey?
Yeah,
That's Mikey.
Look.
That's Mikey.
I got three.
These are awesome.
Big
Oh.
quality. This one, I don't care.
Holy smoke.
Big quality fish.
All freaking monsters.
Robbie, get one on your phone. Shot of him.
Yeah, I got a good shot on the camera. Throw him loose.
There he goes.
There he goes. Now let's see if Mikey gets the deal on this one right here.
I thought he came off. Maybe he came up in the lake. Lake went up.
Oh, here he comes. There. Come on, we got him.
Upstairs. Back out. Bring it back.
I am.
Yeah, he's coming. He's coming.
Go.
Oh, hold on.
Oh, whoa. Oh.
Got him.
Oh yeah, right in the net.
Yeah.
Woo.
Wow. The big league, baby.
Again.
Get him one.
All right, another quality fish from Mikey. All quality fish today.
Oh,
Whoa.
Got him?
yeah, I got him. Big and this guy's ready. There he
There he goes. Woo. There might be a fish.
Fish on that.
Yeah, there's a fish on this thing, I think. Guys, we were just, after we got that whole mess with the fish Mikey had all tangled up, this rod was just sitting on the floor and we are going to call it a day. So I started reeling it in and I think there's a fish on here. Yeah, these waves are getting giant. There we go, we got him. Nice freaking beauty. We're gonna turn him loose.
Beautiful fish. I wonder.
Oh,
Robbie, hit the pump.
hit the gas, let's go. God damn. You waited too long, huh?
We got water.
Alright, you guys, that's going to wrap up the episode for today. And man, this is definitely going to be a trip for the books. Probably one of the craziest fishing trips I've been on a boat in a very long time. Now, fish-wise, it was very excellent. The most trout I ever caught while I was out on a boat, so that was pretty cool. We must have hooked probably around 12 to 15 fish total. And then I think we each landed at least 3 or 4 apiece, which is pretty nice. Man, let me tell you, that boat ride back was one heck of a ride. There was consistent 3 to 5 footers, and the windshield didn't do much for me because I don't know if you could tell, but I am pretty soaked over here. So I think that's going to wrap it up. If you guys enjoyed that, see you.